to Nakuru County right now, where I'm joined by Ken Gashuhi, who's coming to us live. Gashuhi, it's great to have you with us. Perhaps let's start with the reactions in terms of the cabinet secretaries who have just taken an oath of office, been sworn into office, the public's expectations, and equally, what is the status in terms of the Nane Nane protests? Are there any crowds gathered so far in Nakuru in terms of that particular protest?
Thank you, Jesse. Indeed, here in Nakuru City, there is a lot of calm. There are no signs that there will be protests of the Nane Nane, the planned Nane Nane protests. People are still going on with their businesses as usual. And we have a few police officers here and there conducting patrols. But also here with me, we have Nakuru residents who can tell us maybe their views, according to them, how they feel about the new look cabinet, which was formed by the president, who has described it as a broad-based government. With me here are Nakuru residents. Starting with your name, kindly tell us, what is your view about this new cabinet?
Yeah, my name is Adens Kawidi. In fact, the new broad-based cabinet was not as much expected. We thought we could have, they could have appointed the technocrats, but some people who are reaping where they did not sow try to please some political leaders. But I would be grateful if this thing should have been left to technocrats and the dream team and people with expertise rather than people with the loyalties. In fact, we cannot even very much have to condemn them because we don't accept angels to be in the cabinet. We give them the benefits of doubt, but we urge them to work hard to stop mesmerizing opulence and chest stamping. In fact, the Gen Z must be applauded because some of the outbursts has been relented. Let us give them the benefits of doubt and make the Kenya is a patriotic country and make the democracy country of Kenya to prosper. In fact, we should get these people, have this country better than we found it, not make it worse than we found it.
Thank you very much. We have more views here from Simon Olenasieku. Tell us, maybe, how do you feel as a Nakuru resident? We have Margaret Ndongo in the Ministry of ICT who is said to be from Nakuru County. What is your take on this new cabinet?
Asante sana. Kwa majina naitwa Simon Sangalo Olenasieku. Mimi kile ambacho ningependa kusema ni kwamba nimeona kwamba the new cabinet is a slap on democracy. Nasema hivi kwa sababu what the Gen Zs and the Kenyans wanted ni kuona kwamba kuna mabadiliko. What the president has done ni kwamba ameleta the same monkeys but the forest has changed. What I can say is that we were expecting the president to do as what the former president Moi did in the 1990s. Tulikuwa tunataka kuona watu ambao ni technocrats, experts, watu kama Dr. Richard Leakey, watu kama Titus Naikuni, watu kama Martin Oduor, those who ambao walikuwa naitwa the dream team. Lakini sasa hivi ukiweka politicians, watu kama vile ambavyo kama Opiyo Andai, ukiweka watu kama vile Joho, Oparanya, Nambadi, it's like you are recycling politicians instead of bringing reforms. What we want the president to do is immediately to destroy the structures of corruption, nepotism, tribalism, impunity in Kenya, police brutality. Lakini yale mambo yameendelea, we don't see any changes. Kwa sababu pia Raila Odinga, you have let us down as Kenyans because we are seeing that wewe badala kuangalia vile ambavyo we can enhance the democracy, the opposition to be strong, to be able to advocate for the Kenyans, imekuwa kama kwamba sasa you have killed the opposition. Now there's nobody who can talk for the Kenyans except now maybe the Gen Zs ambao wamekuwa struggled, people have been killed, people have been brutalized. Mimi niko very, hata huyu Nyambura tunaambiwa ni from Nakuru. Who knows her? Tunasikia tu names which are being fronted, but there are people who are capable from Nakuru County ambao wangepelekwa mahali pale ambao ni watu wanajulikana kwamba they have capacities. Lakini when people are the decision to nominate people are left on politicians, we get people who are just loyal to the politicians but not to the Kenyan people.
Thank you very much. We have a young Kenyan here who can tell us, maybe as a young Kenyan, do you feel that the new look cabinet will deliver according to the expectations of Kenyans?
Okay, my name is Mr. Robert Makoha Wangoho, the president of Bunge la Mwananchi Nakuru County. I'm saddened by the fact that the president thought that the Gen Zs came out because of 4 people who ended up appointing. We want to tell the government that our compared to the 4 cabinet secretary slots that were awarded to the opposition of the government of Kenya, we wanted our grievances to be heard and be acted upon. Actually, after losing innocent Kenyans in cold blood and abductions, what we can hear is to see Joho on a national television telling us that he is worth 2.7 billion Kenyan shillings. That means these are the people who are already filthy rich. And Kenyans who are the taxpayers, we have not seen any one of them being appointed in the government of Kenya. So we are here to warn even the opposition leaders that came out yesterday to reiterate that they are calling upon their supporters not to go out to demonstrate. We want to tell them that they do not talk on behalf of the Generation Z members. And as the faction from Nakuru County, we are still pushing for the ouster of not only the Deputy President of Kenya, but also the President of the Republic of Kenya, if at all, not going to hear and act on the issues that affect the common man.
Thank you very much. Maybe we have one lady here who can tell us her views. Do you think that the president now deserves another chance to deliver to Kenyans because they were really furious about the cabinet that was there before? What do you think about the second chance that the current administration now has?
Na mkazi na mfanyi biashara katika Nakuru County. Mwanzo kabisa ningependa kurekebisha pale mwanzo niseme ya kwamba demonstrations of today zikuwe Nairobi, not at county level. That is why Nakuru tuko cool. Ya pili ningependa kusema ya kwamba I have woken up a very disappointed woman, a very disappointed mother because of the cabinet that was appointed na wakaapishwa asubuhi hii ya leo. Hivyo ni kumaanisha ya kwamba president hausikii kana kwamba jenzi wanaongea, hausikii kana kwamba Wakenya wanaongea, hauoni how serious things are katika taifa la Kenya. Mwanzo niseme ya kwamba watoto wetu hawakukufa, ndio watu wengine wakapate vyeo, na hivyo ndivyo umefanya. Mumeungana mukaenda kulete viongozi wengine hata hawakukua. They even didn't have an idea what Gen Zs were protesting for. Tunasema hivi, Wakenya tuko mayatima. Umeniuliza kama kuna second chance, for what? We are already tired. We are already done with this government. Actually, we are just living. Tunaishi tu kwa sababu we don't have a choice. We don't have a government. We don't have leadership. We are just there. Kwa hivyo kama mama nasema hivi, tumeudhika, tumekerwa sana, tutabaki kuwa mayatima, tutatokaga kwa street tukitaka, kwa sababu hata demokrasia kuna. Siku ya leo demokrasi ilikuwa ipewe kwa wengi. Wakenya tulisema hatutaki hao mawaziri, na sasa wamerespect maoni ya wachache. Kwa hivyo Kenya ni ya wachache, Kenya si yetu, lakini Kenya ni yetu sisi sote, na sisi tumebaki the opposition together with our children, and we shall fight until the last bit.
Thank you very much. Maybe we have another person. Tell us your views according to you. Do you think that the current cabinet, the new look cabinet, deserves a chance also to demonstrate their capacity to deliver to Kenya?
Thank you so much. My name is Arandru George Nyabuto. And I stay in Nakuru County, Nakuru Town. I'm saying that the new cabinet needs a chance because you aim the sun, you reach the moon. And as Aristotle said, amicus preto sed magis amici veritas. Preto is my friend, but the truth is even more my friend. The same people complaining here, I'm wondering that the people who voted Ruto for 5 years, they are now coming back saying, condemning him. That's a hypocrisy of the highest order. Ruto has been given 5 years.
All right, that's the latest from Nakuru County. Our reporter Ken Gashuhi just picking the comments and the thoughts of some of the Nakuru residents in regards to the new look cabinet. We're meant to understand Margaret Ndongo, the ICT minister, the cabinet secretary for ICT, actually hails from Nakuru County. So you've just heard, opinion is divided.